All right, this is episode 1 of my favorite resources for homeschooling. They're great whether you homeschool or not. Great homework helps. Learning Resources is one of my absolute favorite companies to use. They have great games like Money Bags, Math Island. They also have, Math Island is for addition and subtraction. They also have one called Some Swamp for younger kids. Money Bags teaches kids all about making change and learning the different, bills and coins. They have other things too, like manipulatives, where they've got these, they've got all these 10 blocks, and you can create and do different activities with them, doing anything from addition and subtraction to measuring to puzzles, number codes, all sorts of graphing, all sorts of fun stuff. They have science. They have these little beaker creatures that come in what looks like a bath bomb, and it dissolves and this creature comes out, and then it comes with a card for identifying, what your creature is. They even have a little quiz thing that gives you a quiz on your type of creature. They have things for sight words, like this. The updated version right now is bugs, little flies, where you have these different bugs that you have to swat and read the sight words. And then they also have this. It's a cash register, obviously, but it does work like a regular calculator. And it does open and have, money inside that looks like money today. Great for kids' play. But they have so much more. I mean, this is just the tip of the iceberg. They have so many things for all subjects in science, English, language arts, math. So many fun games for your kids to play, so many fun manipulatives. I highly, highly recommend checking out Learning Resources. Not sponsored at all. This is just a resource that I have found and love and makes learning so much fun for my kids, and I thought others would like to know as well. Also, note this was my daughter. Dino Time Math Link Cubes. They also have a princess version if your kiddo is into princesses. Anyway, check them out.